Hello, my name is Ducky, and welcome to English with Ducky. Today's lesson is the days of the week. We are going to learn the 7 days of the week in English and understand how to use them in sentences. Why is this important? We use days to talk about plans and schedules. Days are part of daily conversations, and it helps you say when things happen, like see you on Monday. The 7 days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. For the days of the week, there are 5 weekdays and 2 weekend days. The weekdays are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The weekend days are Saturday and Sunday. And here is the spelling and some pronunciation tips for how to say out the days of the week. Let's go ahead and practice a bit. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Good job. Ways that you would use the days of the week in a sentence would be like, today is Monday. I go to school on Tuesday. My birthday is on Saturday. We don't work on Sunday. Do you work on Fridays? Give it a try. Great. Now, here is some real practice for you. Go ahead and say these out loud. Today is Wednesday. I study English on Monday and Thursday. We have work on Friday. You're doing fantastic. And now it is time for the quiz. Question 1. How many days are in a week? Is it A, 5, B, 6, or C, 7? That's right. It's C, 7. Question 2. Which one is a weekend day? Is it A, Tuesday, B, Sunday, or C, Friday? Good job. It's B, Sunday. Question 3. What comes after Wednesday? Is it A, Monday, B, Thursday, or C, Saturday? Correct. It's B, Thursday. Question 4. Which day is a weekday? Is it A, Sunday, B, Monday, or C, Saturday? Very good. It's B, Monday. In summary, there are 7 days in a week. There are the weekdays, which is Monday to Friday, and the weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday. Use days to talk about plans and time. Make sure that you keep practicing and repeating so you know the days of the week by heart. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Please like and subscribe.